Well, thank you. When the kids from Crucifixion aren't making their mark in the classroom, they are preparing for their yearly robotics competition. In the spirit of the holidays, they decide to take a break from the robots and show the community another talent of theirs. News 8 Now's Shaquille Davis got to catch up with them and is in studio to tell us all about it. Shaq.
Jeremy, the last time I checked in with my little friends from across the bridge, they were preparing for a robotics competition. This time around, they have something else cooking up their sleeve.
The hobby that we decided was cooking because, sometimes kids don't know how to cook or they're afraid to cook, so we're just getting technology into cooking so we can make it easier for kids.
And one thing Owen Butel and his classmates aren't is afraid. During their robotics league competition on December 9th, this team was chosen to go to the state championships in February after scoring the highest points on their Lego table at regionals. Now they take a break from the robotics and show you how formidable they are in the kitchen as they are on a Lego table.
We have our Smoothie Bowl here at our school with our whole team making it for our YouTube channel.
This is a recipe that Butel found online, and he explains why he chose it.
So I took kind of a recipe like that, and I changed it a little bit to my likings at least, and that's just how I made the recipe.
In the spirit of the holidays, the CruciYahoos, as they call themselves, would like to keep things healthy and show you how to make a smoothie to share with your family.
With soap, with soap.
But first, they must wash their hands. Now for the ingredients.
1/2 cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and then 1/8 cup of almond butter, 1 banana that's cut up, or whole if you have
And last but certainly not least,
a teaspoon of chia seeds.
and then you blend it up. But every great experiment needs a test subject.
Maddie, you're not in.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys. I hope you guys have not poisoned me.
Hopefully,
Don't worry. We would never.
I don't think so.
Okay. Here goes nothing.
Is it good?
Is it good?
What do you think?
It's really good.
Yeah. I got some promo. Yeah, he liked it.
You guys are amazing. Hey, good job, everyone. Good job. Good. High fives all around. High fives all around. Boom, boom. I love when they do that. But I want to give a special shout out to the CruciYahoos. We have Nicolette, Nora, Owen, Cameron, John, Lainey, and Maddie. We'll have a link over on our website to their YouTube channel. Jeremy, send it back to you.